Eclectic and Decorative Home Styles. Chapter 1, Art Deco and Queen Anne Home Styles.
Art Deco home styles.
Art Deco, an influential visual arts design style, emerged in the early 20th century and quickly became synonymous with elegance, glamour, and modernity. Originating in France just before World War I, this architectural style gained worldwide popularity during the 1920s and 1930s. Art Deco homes are characterized by their bold geometric shapes, rich colors, and lavish ornamentation. Common features include stucco walls, flat roofs, smooth, often shiny surfaces, and decorative elements such as zigzags, chevrons, and sunburst motifs. The style often incorporates elements of modern technology and materials like chrome, glass, and exotic woods. Many Art Deco homes also feature intricate ironwork and dramatic lighting fixtures, enhancing their luxurious and sophisticated appeal. This architectural style not only reflects the optimism and technological progress of the interwar period, but also stands as a testament to the artistic innovation of its time. Whether found in urban high-rises or suburban homes, Art Deco continues to captivate with its distinctive aesthetic and historical significance.
Queen Anne home styles.
Queen Anne style, a subset of the Victorian architectural genre, emerged in the latter part of the 19th century and became one of the most enduring and beloved residential styles. Named after the English monarch, this style is recognized for its eclectic and ornate designs, which draw from a variety of influences, including medieval and classical architecture. The Queen Anne style is characterized by its asymmetrical facades, steeply pitched roofs, and expansive, wraparound porches, often adorned with intricate spindlework and lace-like woodwork. Towers and turrets are common features, lending a castle-like appearance to many of these homes. The use of bay windows, decorative gables, and overhanging eaves adds to the complexity and charm of the design. Color plays a significant role in Queen Anne homes, with exteriors often painted in multiple hues to highlight the intricate details and textures of the architecture. Stained glass windows and ornamental brackets further enhance the aesthetic appeal. The interiors of Queen Anne homes are equally elaborate, typically featuring large open floor plans with high ceilings, ornate woodwork, and fireplaces as focal points in many rooms. Parquet floors, wainscoting, and plaster ceiling medallions are common decorative elements that contribute to the opulence of the style. One of the defining characteristics of Queen Anne architecture is its flexibility in design. Builders often incorporated regional materials and preferences, resulting in a wide variety of Queen Anne homes that still share core stylistic elements. This adaptability allowed the style to flourish across the United States, from the opulent mansions of San Francisco to the charming cottages of New England. The Queen Anne style not only reflects the technological advancements of its time, such as the use of balloon framing, which allowed for more complex structures, but also embodies the Victorian era's fascination with decoration and eclecticism. Today, Queen Anne homes are cherished for their historical value and aesthetic beauty. Many have been meticulously restored to preserve their original grandeur, serving as a window into the architectural and cultural history of the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Whether as a residence, a bed and breakfast, or a historical landmark, Queen Anne homes continue to captivate with their unique blend of elegance, complexity, and charm.
Chapter 2, Craftsman Bungalow and Saltbox Home Styles.
Craftsman bungalow home styles.
The Craftsman bungalow, an architectural style that emerged in the early 20th century, represents a departure from the ornate and elaborate designs of the Victorian era, favoring simplicity, craftsmanship, and natural materials. Inspired by the arts and crafts movement, which emphasized handcrafted quality and the beauty of natural materials, Craftsman bungalows are known for their low-pitched roofs, wide eaves with exposed rafters, and large front porches supported by thick, tapered columns. These homes typically feature a front gable or a cross-gabled roof and are often constructed with wood, stone, or stucco exteriors. The design of Craftsman bungalows focuses on creating a harmonious relationship with the surrounding environment. Interiors are characterized by open floor plans that maximize space and functionality, built-in furniture such as bookcases and window seats, and extensive use of natural woodwork. Hardwood floors, beamed ceilings, and handcrafted stone or tile fireplaces are common features, contributing to a warm and inviting atmosphere. Large windows, often with divided lights, allow for ample natural light and a connection to the outdoors. The aesthetic of the craftsman bungalow is both functional and artistic, emphasizing the beauty of simplicity and the skill of the artisan. Many craftsman homes also include decorative elements such as art glass windows and custom light fixtures, further enhancing their unique charm. This architectural style gained popularity in the United States through pattern books and magazines, making it accessible to the average American homeowner. The bungalow's practical design, combined with its aesthetic appeal, made it a popular choice for middle-class families. Today, craftsman bungalows are highly sought after for their timeless design and historical significance. They are cherished for their solid construction, thoughtful details, and the way they embody the principles of the arts and crafts movement. Whether in original form or thoughtfully restored, these homes continue to offer a blend of beauty, functionality, and a connection to the past, making them a beloved part of America's architectural heritage.
Saltbox home styles.
The saltbox home style, a quintessential element of early American colonial architecture, is easily recognized by its unique, asymmetrical design. This style originated in New England in the late 1600s and is named for its resemblance to the wooden boxes used to store salt during that era. Saltbox homes are characterized by their long, pitched roof that slopes down to the back, typically creating a two-story front and a single-story rear. This distinctive roofline was not only aesthetically pleasing, but also practical, helping to shed heavy snowfalls common in the region. Constructed primarily of wood, these homes often feature a central chimney, which provided heat to multiple rooms, and a simple, unadorned facade that reflects the Puritan ethic of simplicity and functionality. The interiors of saltbox homes are typically organized around the central chimney, with rooms arranged in a straightforward, rectangular plan. The ground floor usually includes a large, multi-purpose room known as the keeping room, which served as a kitchen, dining area, and living space. Smaller, more private rooms, such as bedrooms, were located upstairs or in the rear of the house. Exposed beams, wide plank wood floors, and large fireplaces are common interior features that contribute to the rustic charm and historical authenticity of these homes. The exterior often includes clapboard siding and small, multi-paned windows, further emphasizing the colonial character. The saltbox style evolved as a practical solution to the needs of early settlers, providing a sturdy and weather-resistant home that was relatively easy to expand as families grew. Despite its humble origins, the saltbox home has endured as a beloved symbol of American colonial architecture. Today, these homes are appreciated for their historical significance, architectural simplicity, and the craftsmanship they embody. Many saltbox homes have been preserved or restored, allowing them to serve as tangible connections to America's colonial past. Whether found in their original New England locales or as later reproductions across the country, saltbox homes continue to captivate with their distinctive form and timeless appeal. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Hit the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos so you never miss out. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more exciting videos.
The voices in this recording were created with the assistance of OpenAI.